Please subscribe to our channel before you start to see more amazing videos. A short story. The Crane's Leg Mystery.
Chico was a talented cook, known for his delicious meals. He worked in a grand house, serving a wealthy master who loved to impress his guests. One evening, the master invited some important visitors for dinner. He wanted everything to be perfect, so he asked Chico to fry a crane. Now, a crane is a beautiful bird, and it's not something you see every day on a dinner plate. Chico was excited but also a bit nervous. As he prepared the crane, the delicious smell filled the kitchen. But as he was cooking, Chico felt a little hungry himself. He thought, just a small taste won't hurt. So, he took a bite out of one of the crane's legs. When the master came to check on the meal, he was shocked. "Where is the crane's one leg?" he shouted. Chico, quick on his feet, replied, "Sir, have you not seen any cranes before? Cranes have one leg only." The master was furious. He couldn't believe Chico had the nerve to eat part of the bird. He decided he needed to teach Chico a lesson. The next morning, the master took Chico to a nearby pond. "Look over there," he said, pointing at the cranes. Chico watched as the cranes stood gracefully by the water. He was excited and exclaimed, "Master! See, cranes have one leg." The master clapped his hands, and suddenly, the cranes uncurled their legs and flew away. "Did you see the two legs?" "You fool," cried the master. Chico, with a twinkle in his eye, replied, "Sir, you should have clapped your hands at the dinner table to see the crane's missing leg." The master was taken aback. Chico's quick wit had turned the situation around. Instead of being angry, the master couldn't help but laugh. He realized that Chico had a point.
The moral of the story. Quick thinking and wit can help navigate difficult situations. Subscribe.